So we are here again for site inspection, and we came here with some clients who came to see their property before they make payment. Show them around. Those are the clients there. So we came here for site inspection so that they can see the landed property before they can talk of making payment, and that is very important. Now, this is Palms Republic Estate by Medici Homes, and I'm going to be showing you around so that you can get to know this property, even while you are over there as a Nigerian living in the diaspora. Now, this is what we call an estate pillar. And now this estate pillar has been mounted across the estate, meaning we have claimed full ownership of this estate. You know, you are buying into peace of mind. Once you call me with the number on the screen, you are buying into peace of mind, and you don't have anything to worry about the community or anything concerning the government. We have settled all of that. Now, this is the estate signage, like I said, and also is another claim of ownership that we have imputed on this land. And this is the entrance. This is another road that leads to the estate, and here again we have another entrance leading down to the estate. Now, land is one of the things you should invest in. There are other form of investment, but land is one asset that once you invest into it, you don't need to worry about any stress. You don't need to think about developing it. Once you buy it, you leave it and allow time do the work for you. Now, this property is located here in Olodo, Delta State, and it is just less than 5 minutes away from the Deputy Governor's farm. You are surrounded by development. Less than 20 minutes away from a university, and another 20 minutes away from Suwasta University. Over at this side, you have Suwasta, and at this side, you have Admiralty University, and less than 45 minutes away from the popular Coca Junction that is in Asaba. So we are just surrounded with development. Now, imagine buying in acres. Imagine calling me right now and securing acres in this location. You're positioning yourself for massive return of investment in the nearest 2 to 5 years. Okay. Now, it rained heavily today. Even as we were coming, it rained heavily today. And even at that, the land is not soaked. It has dried, meaning that you are free. You are free from waterlogged areas. So this place, you are actually free. So what you have to do right now is send me a message. Let's book you for a free site inspection, and within 7 days of making payment, you'll be shown your land and your documents will be given to you all for free. Now, I forgot to mention that when you buy 10 plots from this location, instead of getting it at the rate of 9.5 million naira, you'll be getting it for just 9 million naira. I will give you 500,000 discount and also give you one extra plot for free. And you know this, within 5 to 10 years, it will be worth millions. And also, you are leaving a legacy for your generation yet unborn to come. So send me a message right now.